Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fax on iPhone. So actually it's very easy. First of all, you need to download the application. In my case it would be fax free, but you can just go to the App Store and type some fax and it will show you some applications. You can download any of them. I'll download fax free. So first of all, you need to open the fax, and here you need to go to the settings and first of all sign in to your Apple account. So click on sign in with Apple and press continue, and that is basically it. Now it will sign into your Apple account, as you can see loading, and I'm here signed in. Now to send the fax, you need to click on the send fax button in the bottom left corner, and here you need to first of all choose the recipient. So just type in the number of the recipient. So for example it will be this number. Here is the sender, so your name and your number as well. So for example something like that. And then when you are ready, you need to click on the add button to basically add something to your fax. So I'll go to the photos and add some photos here. So for example I will send my cat, and here basically you need to crop the image, choosing what exactly will be in the fax. You can just turn it over, resize, basically, etc. Type something, adjust brightness, basically everything you can do with it. And when you're ready, you need to click on the done button in the bottom right corner. And when you're ready, click on send fax. And as you can see, it says fax send. Basically, the fax is sending right now, and the results we can check if it is sent or not. Here, as you can see, it says sent. Basically it means that successfully sent a fax on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.